Some stories were never meant to be forgotten. They were buried, erased, hidden deep within time. But history always leaves behind traces, silent clues waiting to be uncovered. From lost civilizations to forbidden secrets, from ancient mysteries to dark truths of the past. We don't just tell stories, we uncover them. Welcome to Past Uncovered 450. Somewhere in an old abandoned barn, a forgotten car has been sleeping for decades, covered in rust, dust, and time itself. But today, that story is about to change. When we first discovered this car, it looked completely destroyed. The body was covered with rust. The engine hadn't started in years, and the interior was almost gone.
This is worse than I thought.
Think it's salvageable?
Maybe. It'll take time.
But
and a lot
beneath
of
the
work.
rust and damage,
All right, let's see
there was
what's
still a
left in
beautiful
here.
machine waiting to be reborn.
Oh man, that is not good. We've got a lot of work ahead of us.
The first step of any restoration
God,
is cleaning decades
it's
of
even
dirt
worse than I
and
thought. Look at
corrosion.
this wiring.
Rust is the biggest enemy of any car. Slowly and carefully, every damaged part must be repaired. Hours of sanding, grinding, and polishing bring the old metal back to life.
Okay, slide that into place.
Now
Got it.
comes one of the most satisfying moments. A brand new paint job.
Hold that harness steady while I torque this down. Harness is secure. Hitting the click now. Okay, lift your side up a bit. Got it. Watch the trim
The
on
engine
right.
is the heart of the car. Every bolt and component must be carefully restored. Luxury seats, fresh interior, and suddenly the car begins to look brand new. After days of hard work, the impossible has become reality. This car once looked like nothing more than scrap metal, but today it drives again.